Hello guys, welcome back to my channel in English Academy. Guys, please like, share, follow, comment and subscribe the channel. Guys, if you have subscribed the channel, now we come on the topic the poem An Old Woman, which was composed by the most eminent Indo-Anglican poet Arun Kolatkar. Guys, before explaining the poem An Old Woman, we must know about a little introduction of the poet Arun Kolatkar and of the poem An Old Woman. Guys, Arun Kolatkar is one of the eminent Indo-Anglican poets in India. He writes on the Indian themes on he writes on the Indian themes poverty, hunger, starvation, or the evils of the Indian society. Therefore, they find place in his poetry. Guys, Arun Kolatkar belongs to Maharashtra and was born in 1932. He is a bilingual poet who writes in his mother tongue Marathi and in English. Guys, he is one of the few modern Indo-Anglican poets who are bilingual, and till 1990 his small poems remained unpublished in the form of a collection of poems. However, his long poem Jejuri was published in 1976. It is a poetic sequence and it won for him the Commonwealth Prize for Poetry. Guys, his small poems are pensive and most realistic in nature. Guys, his long poem Jejuri has been highly acclaimed by critics. Some of Kolatkar's admirers keep it at par with T.S. Eliot's The Wasteland. Jejuri is a pilgrim center to the southeast of Pune, and Khandova is the deity worshipped there. Chetan visited this place in early 16th century. Guys, Kolatka describes his visit to Jejuri, reaching it by bus and returning by train. During the internal, Kolatkar goes round, sees gods, priests, men, animals, and rodents. Guys, the poem Jejuri is a very faithful record of his impressions. There are 38 lyrics, but the poet is an uneasy, natural stage. In every other stone is God or his cousin. The temples are in ruins and ill lighted. Guys, the impression left by the temple on the poet has been described along with the scene of railway stations. He describes both the place with realistic similes. Both places suffer from old tradition and superstitions. Both the places suffer from isolation, deadly silence, and disease. Towards the end of the poem, there is a one lyric which presents great contrast between Jejuri and the railway station. Guys, the poet expresses in the poem a satire and lack of reverence. There are very newly married bride. The poem opens with a journey and ends with a return journey. Guys, after knowing the after knowing about the poet, we must know a little introduction of the poem An Old Woman. Guys, an old woman An Old Woman is one of the finest poems of the poet Arun Kolatkar. Guys, Arun Kolatkar begins the poem abruptly. He describes his encounter with a begging woman. Beggars are a common sight around all places of pilgrimage. Even even if we do not understand their language, they beg by making pitiful gestures. Guys, in this poem, A.K. Arun Kolatkar describes his encounter with an old woman at Jejuri. Beggars are common sight around all places of pilgrimage in India. Even if we do not understand, even we don't understand their language, they beg by making painful gestures. When the poet goes to Jejuru, an old begging woman holds his shirt sleeve and gives it a pull. She marches charity of a 50 paisa coins. Guy the poet also described the realistic picture of the old woman. Guys, Arun Kolatkar appears to be a great pictorial artist. He presents a very realistic picture of the old woman in this poem. The old begging woman is old and weak, poor and helpless. She doesn't have any other means of livelihood than begging. She walks in a limping manner because of the old age, her eyes small and shrunken like the bullet holes. There are wrinkles all over the face of the old woman. She is so obstinate that she doesn't give up the poet's shirt sleeve unless she gets a 50 paisa coins in charity from the poet. The picture of the old woman depicted by the poet is so realistic that it makes a direct appeal to the hearts of the reader. Any skilled painter can paint a beautiful picture of old lady nearby reading the poem. Thus, the pictorial quality of the poem is its remarkable quality. In this poem, the poet Arun Kolatarkar's vision is essentially tragic. In this poem, he has described suffering of the old begging woman who is very poor, old, and helpless. The poet also reflects that a feeling of disrespect for the gods and goddess, the temples and shrines. He is quite opposed to the old and outdated way of life. He doesn't show any respect for the god and the futile customs and traditions. Arun Kolatkar is very progressive and modern in his sensibility and outlook to life. He is also ironical, satirical, and skeptical in his treatment of Indian themes in his poetry. His feelings of disrespect and his modern outlook can be clearly seen in the poem An Old Woman. However, his vision is essentially tragic. In this poem, he describes the miserable and pathetic condition of the old begging woman. The poem is a modern piece of poetic art. It touches the hearts of the readers because the poet has given a graphic and realistic description of the old woman. Guys, An Old Woman is one of the finest poems of A.K. Ramanujan and it is written in free verse. It doesn't have a rhyme scheme in it. The poet has even avoided the use of capital letters in the beginning of the lines of his poem. Guys, the language of the poem is simple, direct, and clear. The choice of words is appropriate. There is not even a single difficult word in the whole poem. In short, the poem is free from obscurity. The simplicity of language is a remarkable quality of the poem. The use of similes as like burr and like bullets hole are appropriate and suggestive. This poem is also much modern from the point of view of its structure. It is a poem of 32 lines only. It is divided into 11 stanzas of 3 lines each except the last but one stanza has only 2 lines. The style of the poem is descriptive. Here, the poet has described his encounter with an old begging woman. A.K. Ramanujan is not only a modernist poet but also Arun Kolatkar is not only a modernist poet but also a great narrative and pictorial artist. He has presented a life like a picture of old lady before his readers. On the whole, the language and style are the perfectly appropriate to the theme of the poem. It is a great achievement of Arun Kolatkar. Thank you guys.